Hey guys, today for you I'm having something new. I actually got a pair of Vapors, size 10 in the Volt Imperial Purple Retro colorway. I actually really like this colorway. Really nice. In the picture it looks a lot different. These like really stick out on field too, which is really nice. Here's the left one. These are made of like Tejian leather. Very nice. They are really good with touch as well. They're not carbon fly or superflies, so no carbon fiber. Different stud configuration than all of the other Nikes. These studs in the back, they tend to break if you play on turf. So I guess these are meant for grass. So yeah. This is probably my favorite colorway, as well as every cleat that Nike came out with this line with the Imperial Purple PTR and also the white T90. Here's the bag it comes with. Really nice. Flip up. So yeah, very nice. Surprising that they're pretty light. I love that, like, electricity on the inside. So yeah, those are the Vapors. Also, one more thing I want to show you guys. I picked up a pair of these. Crazy. These are the new Cristiano Ronaldo 3 Street Gatos. Like, these are out, but no one really has them because they're only available to pre-order. Kind of funky colors, but I really do like them. Pink, white. It's actually like more of a cream and a navy blue. When I first saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I have the third one made. But it turns out they're like every single one has 3 in it. So yeah, really nice. I like it. I really do like all the collection that he came out with. This is for controlling the boot or the ball. Really nice. It's more of a cream color instead of a white. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you guys those. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna probably be doing review on the Satiros soon, so stick around for that. Okay, thank you again. Bye.